Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a new platform which will help you make money online for free. You are going to be making 4 Ghana cedis daily online from this particular platform here. And the cool thing about it is that you can withdraw this money to your mobile money account. So, without wasting my time, click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this page. When you get to this page, what you need to do here is to enter your mobile number right here. Create a password for yourself. After doing creating a password for yourself, you need another password which will be used for withdrawals as well. So you just enter that one also real quick, and then you hit on the sign up button now. Then you'll be taken to the login page, which you need to provide the previous details you provided when registering an account on this particular website. Click on login after you have successfully input your login details right there, and then you'll be taken to this page. When you come to this page, what you need to do right here is to first of all click on where it says my right here. Click on my. After clicking on my, you can see you'll be taken to your dashboard right here, and as you can see, we have 0.00 Ghana cedis in our account right now. So let's click on where it says personal information. After clicking on personal information, you come here and then enter set your details straight. So you come click on real name. Where you click on settings, you enter your real name. So my name is Robert, so I'm entering Robert here. Then as we said, then we enter our email address.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
Then you click on bank card, and then you enter your real name again, bank account. Then for the bank account, you enter your mobile money number right here, and then you select bank type. I just entered a Vodafone number, so I'll choose Vodafone. When you're using MTN, please make sure to choose the MTN option. If not, you won't get your money in your account. So you click on add bank card. After successfully adding this, you click on go back to the home page, and then you come and then click on where it says VIP. I'm going to be introducing you to the VIP options right here on this site. And after clicking on VIP, you can see many levels here. We have level 1 to 4. We have level 1 to 4 right here. And then when you click on, and as you can see, we are not in any level right now. We are in the free experience level. With this experience level, you are going to be earning 4 Ghana cedis daily for 3 days. And then that's the end. And for the 3 days, you are going to be earning 12 Ghana cedis. You can actually withdraw these 12 Ghana cedis to your mobile money account. Yes, you can actually withdraw these 12 Ghana cedis to your mobile money account. And then you can see here with VIP 1, which costs 80 Ghana cedis, which you have to perform 2 tax daily, and each tax costs 2 Ghana cedis. Each tax costs 2 Ghana cedis. VIP 2 here is 160 Ghana cedis, and you would be able to perform 4 tax daily. So 2 Ghana cedis times 4, which means you'll be earning 8 Ghana cedis daily on this particular platform. And then for VIP 3, it's 320 Ghana cedis. With a 320 Ghana cedis package, you are going to be performing 8 taxes daily, and which means you'll be earning 16 Ghana cedis daily from this particular website when you sign up for this particular VIP here. And then for level 4, you'll be the package costs 960 Ghana cedis. which you have to perform 12 tasks daily. And then you'll be gaining 24 Ghana cedis daily from this particular website. Actually, I made a mistake when I was saying this. It is actually levels and then VIPs. So I just talked about the levels. So now let's check the VIPs. With VIP 1, it's 800 Ghana cedis. And then daily tax is 5. VIP 2, it's 1,800 Ghana cedis. Daily tax is 9. VIP 3, it's 3,800 Ghana cedis. Then your daily tax is 10. So now let's go to the tax option to perform our tax and then receive our money real quick. So when you come here, you'll be having options to choose from, whether you'll be going with TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. So I would like to go with a YouTube on. So you click on where it says collect tax. After collecting the tax, you click on receiving, and it is successful. You click on the receiving for the next one also, and then you go back and then click on where it says profit. When you click on the profit, you'll be taken to this page right here where you need to click on where it says open link. Open the link. Open the link. And what you are going to be doing is to subscribe and then like the videos in which they will be giving to you. You have to subscribe to the channel and then like the video as well. When you are doing with YouTube, with TikTok, you are going to follow the account and then like the video, and then take a screenshot of that and upload it to this particular website right here. So after uploading your when when you click on where it says open the link, you'll be directed to YouTube to like and then subscribe to the. Okay, for copyright reasons, I have actually done this behind the scene. If not, I may get cancelled for that. So after taking the screenshot, you come and then click on the camera logo right there to upload these images to the website here. So here, after it has been successfully uploaded, click on where it says complete submit completed task. We click on that, then we come here to the next one and then do the same for it as well. And now we have successfully submitted our tax. We have done submitting our tax right here. So let's refresh our account to see whether we've the tax have been approved. It actually takes some time for this tax to be approved. So you have to wait for a while, and then when it is approved, your money will reflect in your account. So it's actually still on audit for now. So let's wait for a while. It's been a while now, and actually the tax we just did is still on audit. I don't know why they haven't approved it for the money to be credited into my account, but to assure you, this website is actually legit and it's actually paying people. And I have some couple of friends who have actually made some cool cash from this particular website. And if you have any issue regarding this website, just drop it under the comment section and I will attend to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and then subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents.